Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Farras Radhi, and I'm from ICT3. Today, I will presenting about drivers and obstacles in supply chain management in ASUS company. So, ASUS is a global leader in the technology industry. Is renowned for its innovative products ranging from laptops and motherboards to gaming solution and smartphones. As a company operating in a highly competitive market, supply chain management is pivotal to ASUS' ability to deliver cutting-edge products at competitive price. By aligning its supply chain with its strategic goals, ASUS ensures efficiency, responsiveness, and sustainability across its operations. So these are the driving factors in the supply chain. First is facilities. Facilities play a vital role in a supply chain by determining how efficiently products are manufactured, stored, and distributed to a customer. They connect directly to ASUS competitive strategy, which emphasize innovation, quality, and affordability. So the components is first location. ASUS manufacturing facilities are strategically located in Asia, particularly Taiwan and China, to leverage cost advantage and proximity to key suppliers. Second is capacity. ASUS ensures scalable capacity to handle fluctuation in demand, especially during product launches like ROG laptops or gaming components. And then manufacturing methodology, ASUS employs flexible manufacturing systems to quickly adapt to new technologies and changing consumer preferences. And warehousing methodology, ASUS use centralized warehouse and third-party logistics providers to minimize lead times and ensure global reach. And the second is inventory. Inventory management is critical for ASUS to balance cost and service level. Inventory aligns with company's competitive strategy by ensuring high product availability while minimizing holding costs. So for this component is cycle inventory. ASUS maintains a balance between large production, which is just in-time delivery to optimize costs, and safety inventory. Buffer stocks are maintained to manage uncertainties in component supply, especially for high demand products like motherboards. Then seasonal inventory. ASUS adjusts inventory levels ahead of peak periods such as back to school seasons and major global sales event. For example, is Black Friday. And then transportation. Transportation is a key enabler of ASUS global supply chain, ensuring product reach customer efficiently. Its alignment with competitive strategy include cost management, and reliability. For the component, for the transportation component is first is mode of transportation. ASUS uses air freight for high value, time-sensitive product, and ocean freight for bulk shipments. Then route and network selection. Strategic routes ensure connectivity between Asian production hubs and global markets, particularly the US and Europe. And in-house or outsourced logistics. ASUS outsource logistics to 3PLs like DHL for cost efficiency and scalability. So this is information. Information serves as the backbone of ASUS supply chain, enabling data-driven decision and collaboration across supply chain. For information component is forecasting and aggregate planning. ASUS leverage demand forecasting tools to predict market trends and adjust production schedules accordingly. And then enabling technologies, ASUS uses ERP systems and IoT-enabled devices for real-time supply chain visibility, coordination, and coordination and information sharing. Collaboration with suppliers and retailers ensures alignment across the supply chain. Then this is sourcing. Sourcing decisions directly impact ASUS product quality, cost, and innovation. They align with its strategy by prioritizing long-term relationship with key suppliers. For this component is first is supplier section. ASUS partners with leading chip manufacturers, for example, Intel and AMD, to ensure access to the latest technology, and then global versus local sourcing. While critical components are sourced globally, non-core components are often sourced locally to reduce costs. Then supply relationship. ASUS focuses on collaborative relationships with key suppliers to secure favorable terms and technological support. And then this is pricing. Pricing decisions impact customer perception and market competitiveness. Asus balance affordability with premium pricing for high-end products. So for pricing component is um, first is pricing and economies of scale by leveraging large-scale production. Asus reduce cost and offers competitive price for mainstream products. And then everyday low pricing versus high-low pricing. Asus employs everyday low pricing for its entry-level products and high-low pricing for gaming and premium products to capture different customer segments. So this is these are the factors that inhibiting in supply chain. First is global change disruptions, and the second is geopolitical risks, and the third is environmental regulation, and the fourth is dependence on key suppliers. This is the challenge of managing the supply chain. First is demand variability, and the second is component shortage, and the third is cost control, and the fourth is sustainability goals, and the fifth is technological advancement. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.